doing a cute unicorn this time around, and so why don't we get started? We're going to start with the body and then go from there. It's a little bit easier. So right in the middle of your paper, you could really just do an oval, a horizontal oval like this, and then from there what we could do on the left side of the oval is really just kind of come up with a couple kind of curved line. There's a curved line like this, and then one that kind of comes off of the back like that. And if you want, even now we could erase the line, the top of the oval there, because the body's going to be going right into the neck there. And so what I want to do on the right side of that curve, we're going to have it curve around a little bit like this and just have it stop. And this is where the ear is going to be. And then on the bottom, what I want to do is kind of a wavy line, and it's the bottom of the head there, and it's just kind of a wavy line, kind of looks like a smile, and the head's going to be coming down here. And so where we stopped on the top there, where the ear is going to be, why don't we put an ear in there? And it's really just kind of a shape like this. It's kind of like a leaf, a little bit more than anything. So it's a leaf, and we could just keep it just like that. If you want to do another shape, same kind of shape on the inside, that's where the ear is going to be. And then what we're going to do is go back down to the bottom, and where we stopped off, it's just kind of a curve going to the left, and then we're going to have a little line there where the smile is for the mouth. And then what we do on top of that shape is we're going to have like a C shape, like the letter C, almost like that. And then it stops, and it's going to come back up, and it's kind of another curved line that's like this. So these shapes are similar right here. It kind of looks like three smiles there, really. And this is where the mane is going to be. So all the beautiful hair that we could create, we'll start where the ear is and then come back down through here. So what I'm going to do is just start making these kind of wavy line shapes like this. It's just a couple waves. Maybe it's like a big curl, right, the hair, and you could keep on doing that. You could curl it up like that and keep on coming around and making these different shapes. Maybe it even curls all the way around. And then what we're going to do is go behind the ear, and then on the right side of the ear we're going to have these same shapes kind of curling in, maybe curling out, and going down like this. And you guys could have it straight or curly or however you want to be. It could be whatever color. So we're going to finish it off like that and then jump back into the face here. And the cool thing we could do with the eye is you could make it closed or open. So I'm going to do the top of the eye like this. So the top of the eye is like this, and we're going to add some eyelashes on the right side just like that. So you could have it closed like this, like it's closed or resting or winking. And then if you want the eye open, you can make it as big as you want. You could do the bottom half of that shape. So with the eye open, and you could have, then we could do the eyeball. Normally when the head's turned the opposite way, you'd have the eye on the right side. So you could do the eye however you want. I'm going to have that little space there for that light that's in the eye. That always looks pretty. You guys could do it a little different. You could add some more eyelashes. And all we need to do is have a little shape just above the smile and just below the nose, the end of the face, for the little nostril there. That's all we need to do there. You could add to the hair. And what we can do now is we can come up kind of straight out on that diagonal from where the eye is. That's where we could put in the horn, and you guys could make it a little bit thicker or thinner. even longer if you want, and usually you see the horn and it has these lines coming out from it. Kind of looks like a carrot, but it's much cooler than a carrot because it's the horn on a unicorn. So we're going to go like that, and then we're going to do the legs kind of easy, just straight down, and then we could do the tail and think about the background. So what we have coming out of the body, we're going to have these two shapes here, kind of straight down from where the head is, and then really you could just go kind of straight down and have kind of a curved line at the bottom, and just another line there, right? You have another line there. This would be a little bit darker, especially if this is going to be white. And I'm going to erase that line. And then what you could do, if it's just standing there like this, you could have another line that stops a little bit shorter. So you would have it like this for the leg on the other side of the body and have it stop shorter because this is closer. And then the only difference in the back legs is these are straight, and then the back legs, they're a little wavy. So it's kind of like a wavy line like this. It should stop at the same place. Kind of a wavy line, you see that? And then coming in is a curved line going to the left, and then it goes down like that. And same thing on the bottom. So we have that curved line, and I could erase that line because this is in front. And just like the other back leg, you could do that same shape right next to it and have it stop short, because this is the other leg on the other side of the body, so we wouldn't see that much of it. And then we could have some fun, just like with the hair, right about here for the tail. So it kind of looks like water, like a wave that's coming out. It's yeah, just really pretty hair. So you could have maybe even like a big shape like this, and then have lines going through it, kind of like how you would do a rainbow. And you could have a rainbow in the background. So then you could kind of add little shapes like that. Maybe one more on the bottom and a curl there. And then yeah, we could have her on a cloud, on a rainbow. There could be a sky in the background. But have some fun with that. And yeah, what also happens with the unicorn is it could be a pony. It could also be a Pegasus if we have wings on there. So you could really have fun with it. I'll show you what I did, and then put some color on this, and you guys do the same. Great. So this is how I finished my drawing. I hope you guys had fun this time around. And as always, please like and subscribe, tell your friends. Let's make this world a more beautiful place, one drawing at a time. We'll see you at the next party.